If you use Gmail often, Smart Compose can save you a lot of time by suggesting words and phrases as you type. But if you find the suggestions helpful, you may want to turn it on. And if they feel distracting, you may want to turn it off. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to turn Smart Compose on or off in Gmail, step by step. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tech guides. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to mail.google.com. This will take you to your Gmail inbox. Once Gmail loads, look for the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen. Click that gear icon to open the Quick Settings menu. From there, click See All Settings. This will take you into Gmail's full settings page, where you can control more detailed options. Now make sure you are on the General tab. If you are not already there, click General at the top of the settings list. On this page, scroll down until you find the Smart Compose section. This is where Gmail lets you control writing suggestions. If you want to turn Smart Compose on, look for the option labeled Writing Suggestions On and toggle it on. Once enabled, Gmail will start offering smart text suggestions as you write emails. If you want to turn Smart Compose off, simply switch the Writing Suggestions option off. That will stop Gmail from showing those predictive suggestions while you type. Take a moment to choose the setting that works best for you. If you like faster email writing, leaving it on can be really useful. If you prefer a cleaner typing experience, turning it off may be the better option. After you've made your choice, keep scrolling all the way down the General Settings page until you see the Save Changes button. This step is important because Gmail won't apply your new setting until you save it. Click Save Changes and Gmail will update your preferences right away. And that's it. You've now learned how to turn Smart Compose on or off in Gmail. It only takes a few clicks, and now you can customize your email writing experience exactly the way you want it. If this video was helpful, please hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more simple tutorials like this one.